Hello dear customers. Welcome to visit our Hollyway product. Now I will use one of our deployed docking stations to give an online guide to you guys. Now we can see a 3D model combined with visual and cloud point models methods to ensure the reconstruction of real situation. This model represents the power towers, the corridor, and the other power infrastructure's physical architecture. It also reconstructs the ground ship and the surrounding environment. The platform supports millimeter level detail distinguishment and centimeter level of positioning. Driven by point cloud, the 3D model gives a solid support to the following patrolling and AI defect inspections. Our platform supports the marking by different colors towards different voltages, such as the yellow line here is 220 kilovolts and the green lines is 110 kilovolts. Every point here represents one power tower. There are different colors of the tower depending on the situation of the patrolling. Infrastructure topology management is also supported on the platform. We can reach to the target tower by one click. Different corridors are saved in different topology sheets. Detailed patrolling configurations are supported in this list. We can set the regular tasks, triggered by days, weeks, or months. The time threshold can also be set. It is also very easy to set the temporarily no flying zone in the list. Just hit the no flying or cancel no flying button on the tower. Users can mark and classify the tower type. Standard tower type is set in the list. Modifications are also supported according to users' requirement. Now we close the tower list and go back to the default section. The default section is for viewing and exploring the results and the records. In this section, we can check different kinds of data or information. Let's take the result of this tower as an example. We can see the historical records of this tower. Records can be listed or attached by the patrolling task points as the green dots showing on the right side. Double-click the green dot, we can see the corresponding results. It supports comparing with other historical records or comparison with different channels such as thermal. Besides the picture comparison, model comparison is also supported to show our 3D constructions from different time points. Let's check the small substation in the center of the view. Our equipment plus platform 3D constructions supports centimeter level high standard modeling. Using 3D Gaussian method, we can get model result very fast and showing every detail of the equipment. Even the heat dissipation fins are reconstructed in good quality. This is helped by our advanced modeling method. Let's use this modeling comparison to see the difference of model quality. Sliding the comparison line, we can see the model before is abstract. We can hardly distinguish the shape of the equipment. Now the model is in good shape, in good details. We can also see some line color marks varied from before. Now let me do a real-time flight to show our controlling and capabilities of our hardware and platform. Long press the start button. We will go into the task section. Then select the dock. Select the target tower. the platform will form an inspection route. Select the icon will confirm the route. Now we select the pod. Visual and Visual plus thermal camera pods are supported by now. By clicking the confirm button, the task is sent to the dock. Now the dock starts acting and video is online. We can see the skylight of the dock is open and the battery is now inserting into the drone. Now the machine hand is inserting the battery into the drone. Now the machine hand is finding the camera pod and capturing the camera. Inserting the camera into the drone. Okay, all set. The drone is now opening itself, turning it on, and checking itself. And the docking station is lifting the drone up. In the meantime, the drone will connect to the network and get some data. The drone will connect to the network, get the positioning by RTK result, and realize centimeter level of positioning. Okay, now the drone is online and get the RTK result. We get the drone video now. After the takeoff, the skylight of the docking station will be closed, and we already switched to the view of the drone. As we can see just now, our fully self-developed drone system Iron Series use swapping method for battery rather than charging. This is our key concept to fulfill the energy recovery in 1 minute to do the 24/7 patrol. Now the drone is flying to the destination according to the route in the platform. We can see the real-time position of the drone on the platform also. The drone will follow strictly the route on the platform, and it have the capability of resistance for 7-level wind. Okay, now the drone has reached to the target of this task. It will follow the route point to do the patrolling and picturing. The Iron Series drone have 100 TOPS of terminal computing power. It can fulfill the requirement of the object distinguish and focusing. Now the drone recognized the insulator in the picture and the hanging point. Our product have 2 stages of AI capabilities. The terminal AI are for recognizing the object and focusing to ensure the picture capturing of the target. And the captured pictures will be sent to the platform. The powerful server-side AI will find defects and trigger alarms. Okay, one side of the tower is now down, and the drone is flying to the other side of the tower. On the other side, the drone will also follow every point to do the focusing and picturing. The thermal result will be saved also, and distinguish any temperature defects by AI. Now the task points are finished. The drone will return to the docking station following the route. Let's speed up a little bit. Now the drone already reached to the top of the docking station and returning. The skylight is open and preparing for the return of the drone. Now the docking station already captured the drone. It will dismantle and save the drone. After closing the skylight, the battery and the camera will be dismantled. The battery will be inserted back to the slot to recharge. In one docking station, maximum 4 batteries will be saved. One air conditioner is also prepared in the dock to maintain the inner space steady, so this dock can be deployed in heat and cold environments. Now the returning of the drone is already finished. And the uploading of the result is ongoing. We can click the button on the right side to see the result. Double and triple comparison of the results are supported also here. We can one-click download the result report of this task. In the report, it contains the result of this task, the pictures, and the AI defects if there will be any defects. The template of the report can be also modified by the requirement of the user. The pictures and the alarms supports to be integrated via APIs, and it can be interconnected to other platforms. AI distinguished results can also be found by alarms on the main section. So this is all of this online show. Thanks for your time.